Caden has 39 fewer crayons than Sebastian. Caden has 31 crayons. How many crayons does Sebastian have? Well, when we read this problem, there is a key phrase in here. Caden has 39 fewer crayons. Because we're using the word fewer, we're going to be comparing a bigger number to a smaller number, focusing on its difference, which is fewer. So we're going to use this graphic organizer. So let's reread this problem and put names and numbers in the organizer to help organize our thoughts so we can solve the problem. Caden has 39 fewer crayons than Sebastian. Who has more crayons? So if Caden has 39 fewer than Sebastian, that means Sebastian has more crayons. He has more crayons because Caden has fewer, or the smaller amount. How many fewer? 39 fewer. And so that's where we're going to put the number 39 here, because that's the difference for fewer. That's the difference. Reading the problem, Caden has 31 crayons. Let's answer the question, how many crayons does Sebastian have? That amount is 31 plus 39. So let's go ahead and solve 31 plus 39. We can do that visually over here or with our numbers. One group of 1 plus 9, that's going to be equal to 10 ones. But if it's 10 ones, this is how we write 10 ones. The 0 for the ones is here, and the 1 for the 10 goes up there. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Now we're going to add 1 plus 3 plus 3. That's going to be equal to 7, or 7 groups of 10, which is 70. Another way we can solve this problem is to use our rods and our dots. A rod is equal to 10, and a dot's equal to 1. So if we want to solve this using our rods and dots, here's 39, and we're going to show 31 with a rod. So we have 1, 2, 3 for 3 rods, and a dot for 31. So we can see 3 rods are right here for 3 groups of 10, and then 1, 1 is right there. Next, we're going to build 39. 39 also has 3 rods. We can see the 3 groups of 10 for the 3 rods, and now we have 9 ones. So here are 9 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ones. So now we've built our model very nicely. So now let's add. So we're going to add our ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes 10 ones. 10 ones is the same thing as another rod. So we're going to change those 9 ones right there, and we're going to change those 10 ones into a rod. We're going to change those 10 ones into this rod right here. So now we're just going to remove these because those became that rod. So those 10 ones became that rod. So now how many rods do we have in all? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 rods, which means 7 groups of 10, or 70. So 2 different ways that we can solve this problem.